Huawei P50 Pocket Foldable Next Generation Smartphone. It's a clamshell foldable phone that does things a little differently than its main rival, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is a clamshell foldable phone that does a few things differently. The circular 1.04-inch 340 by 340 display lets you see any notifications at those times. This can also show the time and date and take selfies, but it's not big enough to interact with. The cameras are one of the most interesting aspects of the Huawei P50 Pocket. It has a 40MP f/1.8 main camera, a 13MP f/2.2 ultra-wide camera, and a 32MP f/1.8 super spectrum camera. Last one is brand new, and it powers fluorescent photography, which apparently lets you see patterns and details you wouldn't normally see. Users can also see if they've properly applied sunscreen or removed makeup with this lens. So it sounds interesting, and the whole camera setup sounds more capable than most foldable phones, with a 10.7MP selfie camera and a punch hole on the front. In terms of specs, the Huawei P50 Pocket features a high-end Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, which isn't the top chip anymore. It also has 8GB or 12GB of RAM, 256GB or 512GB of storage, a 4000 mAh battery, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. But it doesn't have 5G, and it doesn't run Android. Instead it runs Huawei's Harmony OS. You can get it in premium gold, diamond white, or black, though reportedly the last one won't be out there. Pricing starts at 8,988 yuan, roughly $1410/£1055/1950 Australian dollars, for an 8GB/256GB model, and goes up to 10,988 yuan, roughly $1725/£1290/2385 Australian dollars, for a model with 12GB/512GB, though pricing and availability outside China haven't been confirmed. Huawei P50 Pocket seems to have a few advantages over the Galaxy Z Flip 3, at least on paper. Its camera setup, in particular, seems better compared to the Z Flip 3, which has just two conventional 12MP cameras and a 10MP one for selfies. With the Huawei P50 Pocket, you get a bigger screen, with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 having a 6.7-inch screen. Plus, Huawei has a more stylish design, and arguably a more distinct one. Plus, it has more storage and RAM, and a faster charger. The Huawei P50 Pocket does not have 5G or Android, and the cover screen is slightly smaller. According to converted prices, the Huawei P50 Pocket is also likely to be considerably more expensive than the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, which starts at just $999, £949, $1,499 Australian dollars. It could be tough to sell, but it's nice to see a company taking foldable phones seriously, and giving Samsung some competition can only be a good thing.